Good morning and welcome to what is our final assembly of what I have to say has been a very, very long week. Yesterday I hope was a highlight in as much as we handed out an awful lot of commendations, we appointed school prefects and I hope that you all engaged with that celebration of success. As we reach the end of this, our first week of lockdown, I just wanted to say thank you. I want to say thank you to all those of you who are out there on the front line in such uncertain times. I also want to thank the magnificent team that I have around me here at West House. The teachers who have simply risen to the challenge without question, who have changed the way they have gone about preparing and delivering lessons so that all of our children can continue to engage in the learning process. So I want to say thank you to them. I want to thank the teaching assistants who have been here every single day, supervising top and tail of the day, helping with the marking so everything can run smoothly. I want to thank my colleagues in the early years department. Whilst when you arrive at the morning, you may well be confronted by masks and aprons and gloves and thermometers, those colleagues of mine are here for the benefit of your children, so that those of you who are working on the front line can carry on with your so important duties. And I also want to thank all those colleagues who work behind the scenes, the support staff who are in cleaning, sorting things out, preparing lunches and looking after us all. This has been a significant effort. It has taken us all right outside of our comfort zone, but I'm delighted with the way in which my colleagues have responded. I would also like to thank you, parents, for supporting the school, for supporting your children and engaging with the process we are going through. And finally, I want to thank the children. It has often been said that children are incredibly adaptable, more so often than adults are. And I think once again, the boys and the girls in early years have demonstrated how adaptable they can be and how they can deal with the uncertainty of a situation that has been thrust upon us all. Thank you all so much. Have a good weekend. Take care of yourselves. And I'll be back on Monday.